Today at CRKT, we are taking a look at the Leon Ma designed Eaton tool. This is one of our very most popular products of all time, and with good reason. Basically, it is a glorified spork, a spork on steroids, if you will. You've got your spoon there, as well as your fork tines right there. You got a bottle opener that works very nicely. Right here we have a cutout for your hand so you can grip it nicely. And the thing about that is it's going to cut down on the weight significantly. This tool only weighs 1.5 ounces. So if you're looking for something for backpacking or just something light for your kit, for your car kit or camping, this is a great little tool. You've got a little flathead screwdriver there, kind of a chisel point on the end right there. And then you've got 3 metric wrenches. You've got a 10 millimeter, an 8 millimeter, and a 6 millimeter. Comes with a carabiner, so you can clip it to your backpack, clip it to your pants, your gear, that sort of thing. Now, I love this tool. I have a black one myself. I take it camping all the time and highly enjoy it. It comes in black as well as your orange. I believe we call that tangerine is the official color name on that one. Fuchsia, which is to say pink, and we have a yellow one as well. The colorful ones have a little bit more high visibility, so you're less likely to lose it in camp. So keep that in mind when you're selecting your color. Anyway, it is a very cool tool designed by Leon Ma and available all over the place. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, be sure to visit our website. And thank you for buying, using, and eating off of CRKT tools. Thanks and have a great day.